There's a phase in every alpha's life, a moment when the noise fades, the crowd vanishes, and the world moves on like you were never here. That moment is what is called the alpha eclipse. Not a fall, not a failure, but a silence so deep it forces you to confront who you really are when no one is watching. No spotlight, no cheers, no validation, just you and the truth. See, during the eclipse, you learn who's real. You learn what pain tastes like, and you find out just how far you're willing to go when everything is stripped away. Most people fear this darkness. They panic. They beg the sun to come back. They need attention. They need noise to feel alive. But not the alpha, because the alpha knows. The eclipse is the training ground. It's not the end. It's the reset. You don't chase the light. You become something stronger in the dark. You start building what can't be broken. You sharpen your mind, you harden your soul, and you carve a purpose so deep it bleeds into everything you do. The alpha eclipse is brutal, it's lonely, it's cold, but it gives birth to a version of you the world isn't ready for. You see, when the light returns, you're not the same. You're not coming back to impress. You're not coming back to be liked. You're coming back to dominate. They'll stare in shock, wondering what happened to the old you. But the old you died in the dark. That weak version burned under pressure, and what rose from the ashes is a storm wrapped in silence. No more apologies, no more doubt, no more waiting. From now on, you move with intention, you speak with power, you walk like every step is war. The alpha eclipse is over, and now the beast returns, not for validation, not for followers, but for conquest. So if you're in that dark place right now, understand this: you are not broken, you are becoming. Let them think you're done. Let them think you disappeared. Because when the alpha eclipse ends, you don't just rise. You make the whole world regret ever doubting you. Are you in the dark phase? Or have you already stepped out of your alpha eclipse? Comment below.